Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Karita Leap in Deepwoken. This unique mantra is a valuable addition to your abilities, providing both quick movement and effective combat options. Your first step is to prepare by understanding the prerequisites and locating the special trainer who can impart this knowledge. It's an exciting path that will enhance your character's capabilities significantly. To learn Karita Leap, you need to seek out Polis, the master of the Just Karita style. He resides in the bustling city of Atris. Look for him beneath the prominent white tree, a distinctive landmark in the area. Before engaging him, make sure you are actively using a fist fighting style, as this is crucial for him to offer his teachings. Once you've found Polis, there are a few key requirements to meet. You'll need to have a light weapon skill level of at least 40 points. Additionally, your character's overall power level must be at least 5. Speak with Polis and carefully go through all his dialogue options. This will eventually lead to him offering to teach you the Just Karita style, which includes Karita Leap. With Karita Leap learned, you gain a versatile ability. It's a swift lunge that deals damage and can knock back opponents, creating space or initiating combos. This mantra also offers fantastic mobility, letting you traverse distances quickly and even negate fall damage. Experiment with its aiming and timing to truly master its potential in both intense combat and navigating the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.